If you're a business owner, if you're a business practitioner, this is a video for you. I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the last end on how you could what or how AI could benefit your business for your daily workflow, for your practical daily workflow, and for your business daily workflow. So, if you're a business owner, if you're a business practitioner, or if you're a business person, this is the right video for you to watch from beginning to the end. So now let's move to what we need to talk about in today's video. So I want to show you 5 practical strategies of how you could implement AI, or of how AI could benefit your business. So I want to start with the first one, but before I go to the first point here, I want to just give you a brief introduction of who I am. My name is Isaac, and I'm a business owner who has practically used AI to fasting or to make most of my business activities or my daily workflow as a business owner times 100 compared to manual daily workflow or doing all of this manually on my hand without the help of AI. So that's why I'm making this video for you guys to share what I've learned and what I've been enjoying so far with AI. So let's move to the first point here, which is how you could automate of repetitive tasks with AI. Most times, as a business owner, you might want to get yourself less acquainted with those boring tasks. So this is where AI comes in now. So for example, now let's say I want to create an AI prompt. I will always spend thousands of hours on creating an AI prompt, a well-defined AI prompt for my use case. So let's say I want to create an AI prompt to draft a code email for me. I'll go into ChatGPT or any cloud.ai or any AI tool, and I'll be drafting AI prompts for my code email, spending hours and hours on those AI tools. But with some AI tools in place like prompt generator.inc, I can build to generate AI prompt for my code email, and it won't take less than maybe 5 minutes or so before I could be able to move to the next step of what I need to work on in that instance. So that's that about that. So compared to manual prompting or manual and drafting of prompt, to take hours, and sometimes it might take 2 days safe for me drafting out an AI prompt that is a customized. There's a well customized AI prompt for my code email, so to say. So that's that about that. So with the innovation of AI tools, I don't need to worry about that. So AI help businesses to automate routine processes, reducing manual workload and increasing efficiency. So without AI, it will take hours. I've earlier said. So with the invention of AI, I have all those repetitive tasks, those boring tasks being replaced by AI for me to move into a more valuable task for me to work on. That's that about that. So the next one on the list is data-driven decision making. Most times, if you have come across something online that is related to MCP server or anything that is related to AI making decisions or AI agents, so to say now. AI agents are being built by constantly by businesses or by people that has technical know-how. That is where even social media comes in, because inside social media we automate workflows for businesses. We automate daily workflow for businesses that comes to us for services or for automations. That's just what we offer as a service in social media. So if you have any inquiries or any information or any questions or how you could automate your businesses with AI, you can check us out by sending us a mail, and we will answer your question, and we give you the necessary services or the necessary consultation you need regarding using AI to automate your businesses in your daily workflows. So back to what I was talking about, I can use AI to analyze large data sets to review patterns, trends, and insights that support better decision making. So now I don't need to worry about making decisions for myself, because that's where AI agents comes in. That is where MCP servers comes in. So with MCP servers, I can connect my Gmail services or my Gmail account to my AI tool, and from there, I won't want to bother worrying about replying or responding to an email coming from either client, prospects, or for anybody, or for either family and friends also too. So with the invention of AI, for example, this, as I've said earlier, the AI agent and the MCP servers, I have to worry less about what I need to reply with, or what I need to say to a client, or what I need to say to client A or to client B. All these are taken care of by AI. So all the decision making of replying emails are being taken care of by AI. Which, for example, I've stated earlier regarding AI agent and NCP servers. So we have various NCP servers, and we also have various AI agents that does this these automations for businesses users, for like myself, and for you that are watching me. So that's that about the second point. Let's move to the third point here. The third point is improve customized experiences. So let's say I as a business owner, I want to make a purchase of a tool or of a product online. For example, a Jumia site, a e-commerce site, so to say. For example, like Jumia. Jumia is a popular e-commerce site in this part of the world. So let's say I want to make purchase of a product, like let's say a ring light, so to say. I can just go to Jumia, and when I check on Jumia, I will see a lot of ring light products, and it's very hard for me to pick one particular product, because I'll be shown a lot of options, a lot of ring light options. I'll find it very hard to make the one that is best suited for my own use case. So I have to consult a Jumia chatbot if it has already been implemented. If it has already been implemented on Jumia, I'll just check out their chatbot on their site, and from there I could be able to draft or design which what's it called, sorry, which ring light to make purchase of from that point as soon as possible. So because most times being able to make decisions on ourselves manually or individually, it's very hard for us. So with the invention of AI chatbot, so to say, I can make decisions as soon as possible without wasting much of my time, and from there I'll get my ring light being delivered to me at that instance. So that's that about one of those practical applications where AI comes in, which is the AI chatbot, as I've earlier cited in the example of Jumia site which I gave. So now the next one, which is cost reduction. AI reduces operational costs by streamlining workflows and minimizing mass error. So most times when, let's say, I am working on a boring task in my daily workflow, and this boring task, my leads or my prompts some human errors, I will have to it will take hours for me to get the desired result I want. So this is where AI comes into. So if I'm not even using AI in the first place, it will take hours for me to get those tasks done, and done successfully and efficiently. So without AI, can you see that I have hours and days to spend on those kind of tasks? So let me give an example of tasks I have used before, like this bank statement converter to CSV. There's a tool that I invented, which I have invented, which I use to convert my bank statement to CSV. Because if there's no invention of tools like this, I have to be doing it manually from the first from the first row to the last row of my bank statement in PDF. So with this invention of a tool I cited, I can get my CSV bank statement converted in the milliseconds without any stress at all. And this will also reduce human errors that might go out at the end when I do it manually for myself or by myself. So that's that about the fourth points. And let's move to the last point now, which is the predictive analytics. Businesses can forecast demand, identify risks, and plan strategically using AI-driven predictions. Most times, decisions making business owners, business CEOs, business owners make decisions, and when they make decisions, they are driven by what? By data. Without data, you can't make the best or the efficient decisions or the right decisions. So with data, it will help you out. The data-driven analytics, it will help you out to make decisions rightly, and it won't involve this manual data-driven workflow because of AI. So those are the beautiful things of AI. Those are the benefits of using AI to automate most of your decision making in your daily workflow, in your practical workflows, in your day-to-day activities as a business owner, as a CEO, as a business founder. So that's that about this video. So if you have any question about what I've talked about so far, you can drop your question in the comment section, or you can just hit us out at our email. When you hit us at our email, we'll answer your question. If it's regarding consultation, if it's regarding technical know-how, if it's regarding technical development, you can reach out to us at Zico Media, gmail@gmail.com. And if with that being said, I believe you've learned a lot in this video, and you've gained some valuable lessons from valuable practical applications of how you could implement or imbibe AI into your daily workflow. Thanks so much for watching this video to this end, and bye for now.